Setting up conversion tracking for Fluent Cart is incredibly simple. You can send all your conversion data into any of the many supported analytics or ad platforms without ever touching a single line of code. Let's dive in to see how easy it is to get started. With Conversion Bridge installed, the first step is to go to the Integrations tab in the Conversion Bridge settings. It will automatically detect that Fluent Cart is installed on your site. The next step is to enable the toggle to turn on the Fluent Cart integration. Conversion Bridge can track every step of the e-commerce funnel within Fluent Cart. The next step is for you to select which ones you would like to track. For example, you can enable the track purchases and add a custom label. And also, some ad platforms require custom conversion IDs, and those options will be here based on what you've enabled. You could also track each product purchase as a separate event. You could track each single product page view. When a variant is selected, when an item is added to cart, when the cart is viewed, and when a user begins checkout. Let's see what that looks like in our analytics platforms. For example, this is Conversion Bridge's Google Analytics dashboard. If we scroll down to the bottom, we can see our top products performing here. These are all the products that have been purchased and sent into the e-commerce tracking. And then we can also see the purchase journey and all the different steps of that were recorded properly for Google Analytics. If we were to look at the actual Google Analytics dashboards, we'll see that the same data is available here with our top e-commerce purchase products, as well as the purchase journey. Conversion Bridge works with more than just Google Analytics. It works with 20+ different analytics platforms. For example, here in Plausible, one of the top alternative options, you can see all the different goal conversions for Fluent Cart, including the viewing the item, adding the cart, view cart, begin checkout, and the purchase. And within Plausible, you could also set up a funnel, and we could view that specifically for Fluent Cart, and you could see all the different steps that get tracked. Conversion Bridge also keeps track of what it calls conversion journeys. This is the page-by-page look at what the user does as they've navigated the site to complete the purchase. For example, here in the Journeys tab, we can see our journey session for the last test. And we can see that the user went to the shop, viewed an item, added the item to cart a couple times, and then went through the checkout flow to view the cart, began checkout, and ultimately made a purchase. You can even include the conversion journey in the admin order notification emails. So here in the Fluent Cart settings, we can edit that email. We can set a customized body and include the smart or template tag right here wherever you'd like it to appear in your email. And then when you receive that email, you'll see the conversion journey listed right inside it.